Hi everyone, it's Luka Gustero from Bulgaria, and today I would like to help you and make some short video about how to invest in Unity. First of all, you have to put some money in your balance. How to do it? Just press there, put amount of money what do you want to see in your balance, choose the wallet what can use, do all what they ask for you, and after you can see this money under your balance. Then just press open deposit, choose the marketing what you would like. I choose marketing 1 is standard, press confirm one more time, and here you have to choose your balance. It means this money will be taken from your balance and open this deposit. Done. Success. 6 active deposits. New deposit started. Okay guys, good luck, have a nice day. See you later.